This iPhone 12 had no sound from the top speaker. Instead of replacing the earpiece, I repaired an open circuit at the speaker coil, saving parts and cost, which yield maximum profit for this repair. First, let's remove the earpiece from the display assembly. Next, apply controlled heat to desolder the Face ID flex connection from the earpiece module. Measure the earpiece speaker with a multimeter. An open circuit confirms the fault. Normal resistance is around 8 ohms. Carefully remove the metal cover to expose the internal speaker components. With the metal cover removed, examine the copper coil under magnification for fractures or open traces. After locating the fracture, trim the damaged copper and solder the remaining conductor back to the primary pad. Clean the flux residue with alcohol. Retest with a multimeter to confirm restored continuity at approximately 8 ohms. Apply UV glue to reseal and secure the metal shield. Precisely solder the Face ID flex back to the earpiece contact pads. Reassemble the complete earpiece module onto the original display panel. Then reconnect the screen assembly to the device.